Will this rain ever quit is the big question of the day. I don't know. I sure hope so. I need some sunny weather. Now when we say rain, rain, go away, come again another day, can we just leave out the come again another day part? This rain will not keep me from grilling though. I'm not gonna let it stop me. Just set up, you know, just on the inside of the garage, so hopefully most of the smoke goes out. I'm a very dedicated griller. Why can't I see my breath? Is it that cold out? It is not that cold out. Yeah, and that show we're watching, Alone, as I mentioned yesterday, they're on Vancouver Island where it does nothing but rain pretty much, and just made a joke. Feels like we're on Vancouver Island right now. Made some more barbecue chicken tonight. Oh yeah, breaking out the DDR mats. DDR. Just getting, you know, ready for the wedding and dancing, because you know that's how I'll be dancing, like, yeah, follow the arrows. We just got a package. We got a package. It arrived. It arrived.
But what is it? I guess
Handmade
we'll find
with
out.
care.
When we cut it open.
Fragile.
Fragile. It must be Italian.
Well, I think that says fragile, honey.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Nice little sign.
It says the Castlemans.
The wedding reception. That's all you care about, bubble wrap. Well, that's it for today's vlog.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time. What do you got to say?